Hello, my name is Max and today I'm going to change the oil for my hybrid Camry for the first time. So, what am I going to do? It's 7,500 kilometers almost, and it's in the middle of the oil change for the dealer. So the Toyota is going to change my oil for the first time at 15k, but this is halfway. So I'm going to do an oil change, only a plain oil change, not even a filter change. So to just make sure that the oil is a good quality. In my humble opinion, the first oil change is very important. So the brand is not very important, but please use only 0W16 oil. So because this engine uses a variable oil pump, please only and only use 0W16 as recommended by Toyota and nothing else. Let's get a sample of old oil over here. To see how dark it looks. It's not so dark. So this car has 7,500 kilometers on the clock. So, and it's hybrid. So probably it has worked just like maybe 5,000 kilometers. And let's get a bit of sample of the new oil. Just a bit. This is how the new oil should look like. As you can see, it's a bit dirty, but it's not that dirty. While the oil is draining, if you plan to change your filter, it's over here in front of the oil pan. You can do that as well. Nice and easy access to the oil filter, but I don't really recommend it to replace the oil filter after only 7,500 kilometers. So oil is almost drained, the old oil. After it's finally completed, I put the plug back in and pour the new oil in. So I've drained almost 4.5 liters. So once again, this is the difference between old oil on the left hand side and the new oil. See how clear the new oil is. Telling me that it suits wide range of hybrid and fuel conserving vehicles, including Honda, Lexus, Mitsubishi, Nissan and Toyota. So that's the kind of oil you should use. 0W16. Let's go ahead and put 4.5 liters in. Yep, that's the correct one. And put everything back and enjoy another 7,500 kilometers. From here, of course, I should check my fluid level, the coolant levels, they all where they should be, and then got the oil changed as well, so everything seems to be fine. Also, the brake fluid is where it should be, so I'm happy with this and I'm going to drive my car happily for another 7.5 thousand kilometers. Guys, thank you for watching my video again and please subscribe. Have a good day.